got myself the DJI Mic Mini to help me with my videos, my exercise videos. Really excited to open it. Let's have a look. Get this wrapper off. Always struggle with this. Wait, there we go. Nice and easy. And then, oh, there you go. So, in this box it's got a receiver, transmitter, charging dock, a carrying pouch, clip magnet, mobile phone adapter, windscreen, camera audio cable, splitter charging cable. Wow, there's quite a lot in there. All right, oh, there we go. In another little bag. Ooh, that is a really, really nice bag. Lovely. Oh, and it's all individually wrapped. Yeah, it's all got little pouches in there to place it in. Okay. So, I have no idea what is what here, because I've never used these before. Receiver. This one here. We got the transmitter. There we go. It's all right. Has a little clip on the back. Where is it? There we go. Cute little transmitter charging dock. The mobile phone adapter, I guess that plugs in the bottom of the phone. We have what they call windscreen. So I believe this is what helps to reduce the noise around while you're talking. And then we got the cables, like audio cables and splinter charging cables. And then of course the bag to carry it all in.